Are you tired of all the time you use to call and edit your photos? My name is Gjermund Dammen. I am a photographer in Norway, and we're going to look at FilterPixel. FilterPixel is a program which can help you call and edit your photos. This is FilterPixel.com, and you can see here they have FilterPixel Culling, which helps you pick the best photos from your photo shoot. So if you're a wedding photographer and have taken thousands of pictures from a wedding, and you know how long time it takes to go through all those images and pick the best ones, FilterPixel uses AI to help you pick those best images and see which images is in focus, which is the best. So using AI to help you sort the best photos from your photo shoot is a huge time saver. But what I'm going to look at today is editing, because FilterPixel can also help you edit your photos, and you edit the photos in your own style. It's not like you're using a preset. It looks at every single image and edit them differently, but they're using your style. You first have to train the program, so you have to upload 3000 of your own images. You can also use expert profiles that are in FilterPixel, and one of the profiles is mine, which I have created, and then you can edit your photos in my style. So if you don't have 3000 images to train the program, you can use one of these expert profiles. I'm going to open the program FilterPixel, and here we have the program. I'm going to create a new folder. I have a folder here called Dreamtone by Gjermund. That's the same name as the editing style I have. So I can open that. Name of your project, that's I call it Dreamtone by Gjermund. That you can call it whatever you want. It's also the name of my editing style. But we can choose wedding, portraits, family, and sports, and other. I'm gonna pick portraits because that's what I have in my folder. I only have 57 images in this folder. I just picked from different photo shoots. So I have just a variety of different photos here, from mostly portraits. And while you wait, you can make yourself a cup of coffee, but I only had 57 images. It has selected 44. It has rejected 3 of them. And so you can give your images a select or a reject or a duplicate, but I'm gonna just select all of them and just give them a 3-star. I'm gonna select all of them and export them into Lightroom. You can edit and export images at the same time, but I prefer to use the export only, because then I'll be able to see the before and after. It's the same way if you import images into Lightroom with a picture profile, you won't be able to see the before and after. That's why I'm gonna pick the just export, and I'm gonna export my photos to Lightroom. Now it's opening Lightroom, and here I got the images, and I'm gonna import them into Lightroom. If I had imported the images already edited, they would be done by now, but I will do one extra step, which is to go to File and Plugin Extra, and I'm gonna edit with FilterPixel Edit. And starting FilterPixel Edit. If you have your own profiles, you can have them here, which is trained on my own images. But here you can see the different profiles. If I take the one that's called Timeless by Vanessa Norris, you can see the before and after on her edits. Same with Adore by Dominique, and you can see the before and after. And we have Be Creative with Arno, and you can see the before and after. So these are the profiles created by these photographers, and I have my profile, which is this one, and you can see before and after on that. I do a lot of portrait photos and also pictures outside, so they are trained on my photos and my editing style. So I'm going to use my own style, Dreamtone, and then I go edit with Dreamtone by Gjermund. And I need to close Lightroom. And Lightroom is just closing itself. It's just 57 images, but if you have 1000 images, it will take a longer time. Then you can go take a coffee or do something else. Now my images is edited, and I can open them with Lightroom. And we can see the images is getting edited as we go down. And if I go into the images and see the before and after, the images before and after, it's a great starting point, but it doesn't mean the images is finished. So even though I need to do some tweaks to get the images just the way I want them, it's a great starting point. It's still a raw Lightroom image which I can edit in the way I want before I export them. So it's a great time saver and saves me a lot of extra work. And you can see even in nature photos, if I see the before and after. I capture moments, immortalize names. With every click, I paint a story in hues of joy, sorrow and glory. Pick my best photos, filter pixels bright. With every edit, we ignite the light. In the realm of art, we find our home. Dream tone whispers, you're not alone. In a world of pixels and frames, I capture moments, immortalize names. With every click, I paint the story in hues of joy, sorrow and glory. Pick my best photos, filter pixels bright. With every edit, we ignite the light. In the realm of art, we find our home. Dream tone whispers, you're not alone. And we can see this image is a bit blue. We can just warm it up a little bit and do some changes. It's much better already. So that's FilterPixel Edit, and it's a great program to help you save time. And even though I only had 57 images in this album, with 1,000 images, it can save you so many hours with culling and editing your images. And if you want to order FilterPixel, you can go in and use my affiliate link, which is Gjermund. You use filterpixel.com/Gjermund and you get 10% off on FilterPixel. I capture moments, immortalize names. With every click, I paint a story in hues of joy, sorrow and glory. Pick my best photos, filter pixels bright. With every edit, we ignite the light. In the realm of art, we find our home. Dream tone whispers, you're not